Hello friends, I'm Vikas Pachisia and you are watching the YouTube channel Pony Institute. In today's video, we are going to talk about a skill that can transform your personality, career and confidence, all three. And that skill is speaking English. Friends, English isn't a rocket science, but its benefit can truly propel your life forward at rocket speed. So let's get started. Benefit number one, a tremendous boost in confidence. Friends, when you start speaking English, the first thing that changes is your confidence. You don't feel nervous in interviews, you don't stay silent in meetings, and you can express yourself freely in front of others. Speaking English helps you overcome your fears. Benefit number two, career and job opportunities. In today's world, English has become a basic requirement for most good jobs. Whether it's an MNC, a private company, or a startup, knowing English can increase your chances manifold. Friends, remember, less English is equal to fewer options. Good English is equal to more options. Benefit number three, connection to the global world. Friends, English is a global language. With it, you connect not only with India but the entire world. Talking to foreigners, understanding international videos, and taking online courses. All of this becomes easy because of English. Benefit number four, personality development. A person who speaks English is often considered smarter, more up to date, and more professional. Your way of speaking, your body language, and your mindset, everything changes. Friends, English is not just a language, it's a new identity. Benefit number five, the power of knowledge and learning. Most of the world's best knowledge books, videos, and research is available in English. When you know English, your learning speed increases manifold. Friends, after hearing all the benefits so far, you might think that's all there is. But did you know that the most amazing benefit is yet to come? Benefit number six, self-reliance and independence. After learning English, you won't have to depend on anyone. Whether it's filling out a form, writing an email, or talking to someone, you can do it yourself. This is true self confidence. Friends, remember, speaking English is nothing to be ashamed of, and not knowing English is not a crime either. But not trying to learn that could be your biggest mistake. Sooner or later, you will have to learn English. So why not start today? Thank you. See you in the next video.